What if I told you there was an application that used live real-time data of the charts, AI, to interpret if you should buy a coin or sell a coin at that particular time, change the time frame to get a different take profit and stop loss level, and with the tap of a button, should you want to, you could even send that analysis directly to your own trading account with the stop loss and take profit levels whilst managing risk at the same time. The application exists, it's a bot, and it's on Telegram. It's called CoinGPT. I'm one of the founders of this bot, and myself and my team have worked tirelessly over the last few months testing it and using it to make thousands of percent in the last few months trading crypto. I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can use it to make a lot of money trading crypto. All I ask, guys, hit the like down below. The description will contain the link for the free bot so you can join along and go through the tutorial with me whilst using it, and you can analyze your own coins. As I mentioned, guys, hit the like and let's get on with the video how you can use CoinGPT. Okay, so first up, you start up the bot. Like I mentioned, description down below, it will link you to CoinGPT Telegram bot. If you're not so familiar with Telegram, it's like WhatsApp, just better, and it's great for crypto traders. You can run bots on there, and CoinGPT is a Telegram bot. So after pressing the start menu, the first thing you can do, and one of the most important parts of CoinGPT, the fundamental part of it, should I say, is the analyze button. You can analyze any coin in any time frame. You're going to get a bias. Should you buy? Should you sell? Take profit, stop loss. What we can see from clicking the analyze button is some of the main favorite coins. For example, we've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. So one way you can analyze is as such. So I've clicked on Bitcoin just to show you as an example. The default time frame is 1 hour, the 1 hour time frame. Of course, by changing the time frames, as you can see here on my screen, it will give you a different analysis. For example, if I clicked on the 4 hour time frame, the take profit and stop loss level you can see here will change. And sometimes even the direction will change. Maybe it will turn to a short. But in this case for Bitcoin, on the 4 hour, it's also bullish. Now in the example here of the Bitcoin analysis, you can see detailed analysis, which we can click on for more data, and it will give you all of the indicator values and a more detailed description of how it came to that conclusion of a long trade. The other very cool thing you can do is also click on an analysis. Here's one I did earlier, and you can click on generate chart. When you click generate chart, it's going to generate a chart for that cryptocurrency in that particular time frame. It's giving me the chart with the key levels, the moving averages, to get a visual understanding of what's going on. In my opinion, the most cool part of this bot, obviously the analyze to get the take profit and the stop loss and the bias is extremely cool. But in my opinion, this is by far the coolest. It is the take trade button. If you click take trade now on analysis, for example, let's do some analysis together. Just to show you from the start how that looks. So what we're going to do is we are going to go analyze, and we are going to click on Bitcoin as the example, and the analysis will come up in the 1 hour time frame default. And what we can do from there is click on the take trade button. However, of course, if you haven't set it up yet, you will need to do so, and you just simply click on this link here. It's going to connect you to the Google form, and you can simply and easily connect your CoinGPT bot to your own trading exchange. CoinGPT supports Bybit, Bybit, and Binance. So Bluefin is a no KYC option. Maybe you're in the States, Canada, UK, and you can't use Bybit or Binance, then we suggest using Bluefin. The links in that form allow you to set up an account with that exchange. Of course, if you already use Bybit or Binance, you can do. Let me show you an example with Bybit. You would click next, and there are easy instructions on how to create your API keys in Bybit. And from there, you'll be able to use the take trade button direct from your CoinGPT's account. So the analysis, tap a button and it will take that trade. Let's have a look at that together. So we'll go back to the analyze menu here. And as an example, let's do ETH. So we're going to press ETH, and in the 1 hour time frame, again the default, it is going to come up with some analysis. So Ethereum on the 1 hour time frame is in fact bearish. Just to show you another example, maybe on the 30-minute time frame, it changes the bias and the stop loss and the take profit level. So on the 30 minutes, it's bullish, and it's giving us a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, 8.5% profit against 4.5% potential loss. So before I click take trade now, once you're set up for auto trading, you'll now see the take trade settings menu. This is really cool because from there you can view your open positions, which of course we don't have any at the moment. You can view closed trades, you can view your current balance. So I've clicked that, you can see I've got just over $3,100. You can also click on current leverage, currently set to 10x leverage, but you can change it anywhere from 2 to 20x leverage currently, and you can select your balance percentage per trade. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to set it to 10%, so that means I'm using 10% of my $3,100, so I'll be using about $310 with 10x leverage, so I'm going to be using about $3,000 of margin for that particular trade. Now, if I go to my analysis, which you can see here, if I click take trade now, you can see my entire screen, and look what happens in my Bybit account, which this is set up to. But as I said, you can connect it to Binance and also Blowfin, which is no KYC. I'll leave the links to those exchanges down below as well. So we're going to click take trade now. Now the bot in an instant opens up that position, as you can see. Very, very cool, right? Well, take profit and stop loss have also opened, as you can see here. Take profit and stop loss just according to the analysis. Now, you don't have to do a thing. In fact, you can go to auto trade, which is also in the main menu of the bot, auto trade. And from there, what you can actually do is view the open position. So you can view the open position. You can even close it directly from Telegram. Again, showing you my whole screen. I'm going to click close ETH, and what happens in my Bybit account? In a poof, closes the trade. I believe that's very valuable because you're getting professional risk management, AI, real-time data, and with the tap of a button, you can send it to your exchange. So we're going to run through the other very cool features of CoinGPT in a moment, but at this point, I think it's important to mention that although CoinGPT is completely free to use, with the free version, there are some limitations. So you may want to consider upgrading and unlocking all the features with moving to premium. You can see there is a daily limit, which is currently set to 10 requests per day. Now that basically means any analysis you do on any coin, changing the time frame, it's going to count as one credit, you could think, or one request. The other thing is, you can see some of the time frames are locked. The low time frames are locked, and that's where the analysis is changing most often. So to really get the most value, you may want to consider upgrading. In fact, if you click on the main menu, go to upgrade, you can see all the benefits. There's no daily or weekly limits, because there's a weekly limit as well, which is 45 per week. So just to be clear, maximum of 10 requests per day or 45 per week. You unlock all time frames, and you get unlimited take trade API usage. So it's free to set up, free to use for the first 10 take trades, but if you use all 10 trades, there is an API limit, and then we ask users to upgrade from that point. It's only starting from £5 per month. It's not a lot of money, of course, if you're going to be using this bot even once or twice a week. The value you get from it, in my opinion, is very good. Let me know if you agree, of course. And once again, the link for the bot is in the description down below. You sign up through the bot, you can do a card payment. Currently, the price is £9 per month, or you can save huge discount, 45% with the annual version. If you want to pay in crypto, you can, but we only offer a lifetime access because we can't regulate payments like you can with a card. So it's £99, unlimited access, lifetime. You don't need to pay ever again. So that moves us on to the next part of CoinGPT, which in my opinion is super cool, and it is the AskGPT feature. Think of this like ChatGPT, but your own dedicated AI crypto trading assistant. You can ask it something specific to the most recent trade, the most recent analysis you've done. In this case, it is Bitcoin. So we could type something as an example like, could you suggest some additional take profit levels for this trade? So that's one example, and it will give you an answer based on the actual analysis you've got. You could literally ask it anything. Can you give me some more stop loss levels, more risk management? Can you advise how I could use leverage in this trade? Where would my liquidation price be? Anything you can think of, it will answer it for you. From there, the other cool features you have are the My Account page, where you can view your current subscription. Of course, you can cancel anytime should you become a premium member. So once again, from £5 per month, but you can cancel it at any time. The other thing is Refer and Earn, which you can access from My Account or from the main menu, Referral. What that is, every user that uses CoinGPT, whether you're free or a premium user, you can actually have your own URL, which is your link that you can share with your own Telegram communities, your friends, your family, your social media channels. Anyone that signs up for CoinGPT with that link, you'll actually earn $10 for every person. We have users making hundreds every week just by sharing this link, and you can monitor the clicks, how many people have bought, and your balance, and claim USDT once you've built it up to at least $50. So I believe that's also another great feature of the application. Lastly, of course, you can contact support if you have any questions through the bot, or leave them in the comments of this video, and you can press community to connect with the Telegram group and liaise with other CoinGPT members in more of a chat version, not in the bot basically. Let me know what you think of the bot. Hopefully you've tried it by now and you've clicked the link in the description. The exchanges are there as well, which are bonus links. And if you have any questions, like I mentioned, just ask. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope, like you and my team, this bot can really help you with your profitability and consistency in crypto trading. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.